Sure. Here is a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone about the Vivo X70 Pro 2025, structured into a natural flow of introduction, features, exterior, and conclusion all under 600 words, Welcome to FK iPhone, the place where we explore the smartest phones that dare to challenge the usual. Today, we're diving into the newly launched Vivo X70 Pro for 2025, and trust me, Vivo has packed this thing with some serious firepower. Whether you're into photography, performance, or just love a sleek-looking device, this one might catch your eye. Starting off with performance, the Vivo X70 Pro is powered by the latest flagship chipset from MediaTek. It's fast, efficient, and handles everything you throw at it with ease. From heavy games to intense multitasking, the phone keeps things running smoothly. There's no lag, no stutter, just clean and fast user experience. The new cooling system under the hood helps manage heat even during long gaming sessions, which makes a big difference for mobile gamers and power users. Now let's talk about the display. Vivo has gone with a large AMOLED panel that delivers stunning visuals. Colors are vivid, blacks are deep, and the high refresh rate makes every scroll and swipe feel buttery smooth. Whether you're watching your favorite videos or just browsing social media, the experience is immersive and top-notch. Camera is where Vivo always tries to lead, and the X70 Pro is no exception. The rear setup features a quad-lens system, with the main sensor delivering crisp and vibrant shots even in low light. There's a telephoto lens for zoom, an ultra-wide for those scenic shots, and even a dedicated portrait lens to give your shots that DSLR-like blur. The AI processing is smarter this year, automatically adjusting settings based on the scene, and it really shows in the final results. For selfie lovers, the front camera is sharp and packed with features like beauty mode, night mode, and even 4K video recording. When it comes to the exterior, the Vivo X70 Pro is all about elegance. The back panel has a matte glass finish that looks premium and feels comfortable to hold. The camera module is neatly placed without being too bulky, and the slim profile of the phone makes it easy to handle with one hand. It's available in multiple color options, each with a subtle gradient that gives it a modern and stylish touch. The in-display fingerprint sensor is quick and reliable, keeping the front clean and minimal. Battery life is solid too. With smart power management and a large battery, it easily lasts a full day of heavy use. Fast charging support gets you back up and running quickly, which is super handy if you're always on the move. Vivo also made improvements to their software this year, cutting down on bloat and adding more customization options without slowing things down. So, wrapping things up, the Vivo X70 Pro for 2025 is a phone that nails the essentials and brings some impressive extras to the table. It's got flagship-level performance, an eye-catching design, a pro-grade camera system, and a display that's a joy to look at. Whether you're a content creator, a gamer, or someone who just wants a stylish and powerful phone, this device is worth checking out. That's it for today. If you're thinking about switching it up from the usual, the Vivo X70 Pro might be the fresh experience you're looking for. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more smartphone reviews. Catch you in the next one.